Do your research. The internet is a great source of inspiration, with sites such as Pinterest being ideal for gathering ideas of what you would and wouldn't like your new bathroom to look like. Search interior design magazines too and make a scrapbook of ideas that you can present to your designer at the beginning of the planning stage. 2. Make a bathroom wish list. What are your must-have items and what could you live without? If this is a second bathroom and there is a bathroom already elsewhere in the home, you may want to use the floor space for a luxury walk-in shower. If it is the family bathroom, then clever storage solutions will no doubt be a priority. Think about who will be using the bathroom, and how they will be using it, to help you formulate a tick list. The Art Collection Guatemala Wash Basins Rangoon Countertop. Eclipse Freestanding Tub. Cylinder Shower Heads Lazio Countertop. 3. Budget well. Be realistic about how much you would like to spend on your new bathroom and let your designer know, so that the budget can be concentrated on the right areas. Also, don't forget to set aside a small contingency fund. This can always be spent on accessories when the project is complete if it wasn't required for anything else.